everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about those 10 words, means those 10 words I have chosen from the list that you are still not using. And these words are quite the prevalent ones. See, you need to understand this thing that it's not only about that you do not know the words. Trust me, you know many of the words which are being flooded on the internet in many of the articles, but it's about that you are not using them. And how come you are not using them? Understand this concept that we have two modes in our mind, that is एक्टिव मोड एंड पैसिव मोड. एक्टिव मोड कौन सा होता है? एक्टिव मोड वो होता है जो हम कॉन्शियसली यूज करते हैं एंड वी कॉन्शियसली हम उस मोड में होते हैं, राइट? तो कॉन्शियसली यू नो दैट हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स यू आर यूजिंग इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. एंड पैसिव मोड का मतलब ये होता है कि you are aware of those words, it is there in your mind, but you are not using them. पैसिव मतलब वही तो हो गया कि हमें सब पता है लेकिन हम उसको यूज नहीं करते. दैट इज योर पैसिव मोड. सो टुडे वी विल ट्राई दैट हम उस पैसिव मोड को थोड़ा एक्टिव करें और हम उन वर्ड्स को यूज करें. सो टुडे आई हैव चूजन सम ऑफ द 10 words which are quite intermediate to advanced version of English language, right? And we'll try to figure out that how we can use these words effectively in our communication. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So how I'm going to start it? I'm going to tell you the meaning of the word first, then the word, and then one sample example. Then it will be very easy for you to understand that what I'm trying to tell you. So the first word is related to your productiveness और इफेक्टिवनेस. ये कहते हैं ना कि बहुत हम प्रोडक्टिविटी से काम करते हैं, यहाँ इस काम में मेरी प्रोडक्टिवनेस दिखती है, ये काम तुमने काफी इफेक्टिवनेस से करा है. बट दिस इफेक्टिवनेस और प्रोडक्टिवनेस इज क्वाइट ओल्ड, राइट? इफ वी वांट टू मेक इट अ लिटिल बिट एडवांस्ड, then what is the better word for it? And the word is efficacy. Efficacy. Here you need to understand that I is silent, so it is efficacy. Efficacy. And it means productiveness or effectiveness. For example, I believe that my efficacy in teaching is never going to be questioned. See how easy it is. I have just removed productiveness from my vocabulary and I've just used this word efficacy. Efficacy. How brilliant, how beautiful this word is. Moving to the second word, and it is related to something which is shocking, something which is extremely bad. And the word starts with E. Let me give you one hint. And the word is egregious. Egregious. Like how we are going to pronounce it? So understand this कि हम पहले agree बोलेंगे and just बोलेंगे. Egregious, egregious, egregious. So simple, right? It means something that is extremely bad, something that is extremely shocking. For example, the way he talked to me yesterday, it was an egregious abuse. Next word is related to your nervousness. हम बहुत nervous हो जाते हैं कभी हम, for example, if you're going to hold your mic somewhere, you are in public और आप कहीं जा रहे हैं जहाँ पे you feel nervous, you feel, what do you feel? It's fidgety. Fidgety. Fidgety means when you get anxious, when you get nervous. Fidgety is a better version of such expressions. For example, I always get nervous and fidgety at the dentist. Where you get fidgety, do let me in the comment section below. Next word is all about warning. To give warning to someone or to give advice in terms of warning. मतलब आप किसी को advice कर रहे हैं, लेकिन at the same time you are warning that person as well. So instead of warn or instead of using the word advise, what is the better word you can use? That is admonish. Admonish. It's a verb and it means to warn someone. For example, he admonished him not to drink a glass of wine, but he did it. I don't have glass of wine, but I have glass of water. Okay. Next is, हम बोलते हैं ना कि इसने बहुत prompt answer दिया. He was very quick, very prompt. So बहुत जल्दी से हम जब काम करते हैं, so generally we use very quick. But what could be a better version of saying very quick? It is expeditious. 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 For example, it was a very quick response to my inquiry. But very quick की जगह मैं इसको replace करूँगी expeditious से. It was an expeditious answer to my inquiry. So just see, with very quick मैंने replace करा expeditious से. So it was an expeditious answer to my inquiry. Next is which is related to your confusion. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा confused हो जाते हैं, puzzle हो जाते हैं, या हम absent minded हो जाते हैं, तो हम ज़्यादातर bemused हो जाते हैं. Bemused. Bemused. It's an adjective and it is majorly get confused with the word amuse. Amuse matlab to entertain and bemused means to get confused. For example, yesterday he was looking a little bemused. He was looking a little confused की जगह अब bemused use करिए. Yesterday he was looking a little bemused when I arrived there. Next word is related to your adjustment. When you get adjust to the surrounding, when you are able to understand that what is happening around and you try to get adjust with the surrounding or with the atmosphere. So हम ज़्यादा कहते हैं adjust, but we have a better version of it and it's a very small word. It is attuned. Attuned. Attuned matlab to get adjusted, to get accommodated, or you get able to understand the things very easily so that it will be very easy for you to get adjusted with the surrounding. For example, you will understand the British accent once your ears will become attuned to the surrounding. Next word is related to rudeness. Something or someone that is uncivilized, बोलते हैं काफी rude है, काफी blunt है. So for that we have one good word and that is churlish. Churlish. See how amazing it is to pronounce this word, churlish. Churlish. For example, at any point of time, he always behaves like a churlish man. No manner, no etiquette. Next word is related to your friends, to your companions, to your group as well. And it's a very common word, trust me, and a very short one as well, and but very attractive one. And this is cohort. Cohort. Cohort means your companion, your partner, your group. For example, she has a cohort of admirers. And the last one is, and it is going to be related to our channel. It is, the word is related to never ending. The meaning is never ending. And the word is incessant. Incessant. Incessant means जो कभी नहीं खत्म होगा. Never ending process. For example, the relationship of us is going to be incessant in this eternity. Trust me on that our relationship is going to be incessant in this eternity. So do let me in the comment section below that which word did you like the most, and at the same time do let me know also ki kitne words you were already aware of. And if you like the video, then do not forget to share this video with your people, like it, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.